people, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to teach you how to create a grunge text effect in Canva. So let's begin. So first I'm going to take the size and make sure that it is in pixels and create new design. Now what you're going to do is your template is opening. I'm just going to upload an image of a scenery that I have saved in my folders. Right here you can pick anyone from Google or from Canva itself. It's totally up to you. I'm going to take this grunge frame effect also as well. If you want to search for it, go on Google and search for grunge frame. Grunge frame. Now, for it, now you want to go in apps and type in your blend image. And you want to click on the first app. Now I'm going to select this as my top layer and this as my bottom layer. And I'm going to add to design. Now I'm going to delete all of them. Now I'm going to adjust it to my frame. Like this. Okay, I'm just gonna align it towards like this. Now let me change my background color to black. I'm gonna type in your grunge effect. And I'm gonna change it to this text effect, which is like, you can say like ZUU and then you're gonna get a zoom A. I'm gonna increase the size and adjust it, and I'm gonna change its color to white. Like this. Alright, let me just adjust it a little bit more. Let's see what else we can do. Let's find the elements and type in your smoke. Let's try to adjust and balance it. I'm just gonna add this effect right here of drop.